Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting direct command access. Enable developer options and USB debugging now, then install ADB on your PC or open Termux on your device. Once connected by USB, run a DB devices to verify a connection. If you prefer wireless, use a DB TCP/IP 5555 and then a DB Connect device IP. Make sure RSA authorization is accepted on the phone. This first step gives you a shell prompt where you can run commands as yourself or escalate to root if required. You enter the shell with a DB shell or continue inside Termux. Once there, list directories and navigate with LS and CD to find targets. Use CP, MV, and RM for basic file operations and change permissions with chmod or chown when apps need access. To move files between PC and device, use a DB push and a DB pull. For multiple files, compress with tar before transfer to preserve structure. While doing this, pay attention to file ownership and SC Linux context to avoid permission errors later. You finish by running scripts or binaries placed in writable locations. For example, sh/data/local/tmp/script. sh, and use logcat and dmesc to monitor system messages and trace errors. When you need a clean start, reboot with a DB reboot, or go to bootloader or recovery for flashing and advanced repairs. If something fails, first check a DB devices and ensure USB debugging is enabled. Then inspect logcat for permission denied entries and confirm SC Linux mode. Switching to permissive is risky.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.